This thing sounds sick. The only thing I don't like is the popping. That's what I don't like. What the hell is this guy doing? So, sounds pretty damn good. Probably gonna go down to Advanced and order a Flowmaster 10. See if we can get rid of some of the popping a little bit. I don't know. It's just sounds like it's farting when you drop off the throttle. But I'm happy. At least I got some noise out of it instead of being quiet like a freaking Prius. Sounds pretty fucking badass. Oh god, the little things in life that excite me. Alrighty, that was fun.